Sharon Nabuhay. So, I am going to discuss about the startup business, buyout business, and also the franchising. So, startup business, what is it all about? Startup business is a business that an entrepreneur creates and develops from the beginning. The owner usually comes up with a business idea, finds concept capital, chooses the location, hires employees, creates the products or service, and builds the brand. The advantages of this is full control. The owner makes the major decisions, the owner creates their own rules, freedom to innovate. The owner can create their own products, services, and business style. It can also they build their own brand. The business name and reputations belong to the owner. Potential potential for high profit. So if the business becomes successful, the profit itself will goes to the owner itself. Next is the it can start from small since it is a startup. The entrepreneur can begin with a small amount of capital and expand gradually. So the disadvantages of startup business is high risk of failure since it is as new in the market. There is no guarantee that customers will support the new business. So it requires a lot of planning also. The owner must establish everything from zero. So it builds also a customer base takes time. So it also have a large initial effort. The owner must handle permits, suppliers, employees, marketing and operations. Uncertain income during the early stages. So in real life example, a local example is Bohol Bee Farm in Dawis, Bohol. It developed its own hospitality, food, and tourism concept rather than simply operating as a branch of a national fast food. So Bohol Bee Farm is start from a scratch, startups since successful sila karon. So it started small as a back to nature and organic farming initiative and grew into a major ecotourism restaurant and hospitality enterprise famous for its farm to table organic products and signature buzzed ice cream. So we're going to proceed to a buyout business. So what is it all about? A buyout is when an entrepreneur purchases an existing business from its current owner instead of starting everything from zero. The new owner acquires an established business which may already have equipment, employees, customers, facilities, and an operating system. So advantages of it is existing customers. It has existing customers since the business may already have loyal customers since this is existing business already. So existing facilities and equipment. You don't have to build everything from scratch. Immediate operation. The business can continue operating after we already have loyal customers. The business can continue operating after the owner changes. Establish reputation. The business may already be known in the community. Next is existing employees and suppliers. It may have be available employees and suppliers since it is an existing business. The disadvantages of it is it has high purchase cost. An establishment business can be expensive. Hidden problems. The business may have debts, out, outdated equipment, poor management, or other problems. Next, you inherit the existing reputation since if the previous owner had a bad reputation, it can affect the new owner. Next is limited freedom to change. Immediately because existing systems and customers may need to be considered. Next is risk of declining sales if customers do not accept the new ownership. The real life example of this is a common businesses or acquisition model in Panglao. involves foreign or domestic investors purchasing fully operational, income generating boutique, resorts, or dive operations near Alona Beach, such as turnkey 20 to 30 room properties where owners completely sell out their land, assets, and business permits to transition to other ventures. Next topic is about franchising. Franchising is a business arrangement where the franchisee pays for the right to use an established company's brand, products, business system, and operating procedures. So the franchisor owns the brand and provides the system, training, and support, while the franchisee invests money and operates the business according to the franchisor standards. The advantages of it is it, it, it can establish brand. Customers already recognize the name since it is a franchise business. So proven business model. You don't have to develop the entire system yourself. Next is training and support. The franchisor usually provides training and operational guidance, the rules, system, and everything. Marketing support. National or regional advertising may help attract customer since it is a well-known business. Next is lower uncertainty than starting an unknown brand. The business model has already been tested. Disadvantages: high franchise investment. Some well-known franchises require substantial capital. Franchise fees and other costs reduce profits. Less freedom. The franchisee must follow the franchisor's rules. You cannot build your own rules. Next is profit sharing and royalties may apply depending on the franchisee agreement. Next is brand problems can affect you. If the overall brand receives negative publicity, individual branches may also be affected. The real life example of this is a major commercial franchise expanding into Panglao, Bohol is the opening of the KFC brand at the Belmar in Tawala, Panglao. Belmar Lifestyle Center along the Anos Fonasir Circumferential Road in Barangay Tawala, Panglao. That's all. And if I were be able to choose the three business options, um, um, I will choose the startup business because I can start in a small capital and I can build my own brand to be successful someday, and I can also create my own rules. I can improve the products, innovate the products itself, and also my my business would be the um, as a granddaughter that as a granddaughter in Panglao that always um, have a everyday pamainit in Visayan term. I would like to create a business which the which can benefits me and my and I will gain customers, the senior citizen and the coffee lover. I will build coffee with pamainit pamainit coffee, sikwati, and the old bread like like the Visayan bread like that. Thank you.